Safety Pin started about 7.5 years ago now, almost 8 years ago, to actually look at how can data be used for women's safety and how can technology be used for that. So what we actually still do and what we started with was to make data freely available for all women and anyone who needs it to make safer decisions. So we do look at more public space safety, but last year with the onset of the pandemic, we realized that there was a drastic rise in the number of domestic violence cases, globally, not just in India or in one specific country. So we were looking at how can we use technology to actually, make it easier to find resources per se. We don't have a
Mm-hmm.
shelter and we don't provide counseling ourselves, but we have found organizations and shelters, one-stop centers, police stations with women desks, NGOs, all of that around India, and we've made a list in on our app, the My Safety Pin app. So you click one button, and wherever you are in India, in that state, you'll find all the resources that you could need. And if you need, to go there, if you have to call, any information you need about them is there. Women are scared to come out. Women are scared to talk about it, and we've tried to be sensitive of that fact. So if you do look at the app, we don't promote it too much as a domestic abuse survivor, help app. It is more of
Mm-hmm.
public space. It is just about over, sorry,
Okay.
overall safety. It's looking at overall safety, not at domestic violence or help from abuse. But we do have that feature in there. So again, like there's a data privacy law, so I can't ever, anyone who uses the feature, I can't reach out to them because I don't know
Mm-hmm.
who they are. We do maintain our users privacy, but we know how many people, like if people are using it, and we can see that there are active users who are clicking on the feature. Who they are, we don't know. We don't want to follow up. I have had a lot of people reach out saying, can you help with this, and we've always directed them to the feature, and they've come back with nothing but thanks. So I think
Mm.
that's about the review that I can get, and whatever I get on the Play Store and the App Store. So whatever we see there is, how we can measure its impact.